know, God doesn't love you. God doesn't even care about you. He never answered your prayer. Like, why would you ever be on God's side? If God was so good, why He let all these bad things happen? The truth has set me free. And now I'm no longer enslaved to like thinking negative or having the demons inside me.
May snow pa rin mga chupapi. Malamig pa rin.
So now I think, you know, back then I think that all those things, it feels right. It feels good. It feels right. You know, I
felt good.
Yeah, I have my own self-confidence, thinking that I know what I'm doing. I know everything already. But see, that's also the pride of the devil giving you that, yeah, you could do it all yourself. You know what you're doing. You know, you're good enough on your own. You don't need anybody. You know, God doesn't love you. God doesn't even care about you. He never answered your prayer. Like, why would you ever be on God's side? If God was so good, why He let all these bad things happen? You know? Those are the voices in my head.
Alam niyo mga chupapi, ito asawa ko. Dati, I never heard my husband talking about God. Every time I bring up about God to him, I say, stop talking about that. I'm not religious person. I hate religious. Stop talking to that. So I'm gonna hate you if you don't stop.
And you know what? That's actually not even me talking. That's the devil. That's the demons that the devil put inside me. Because when you know when you have demons inside you,
Yeah.
like it irritates you.
Yeah.
You hate it. It irritates you
Yeah.
when somebody brings up that subject. But see, when you're cleansed, you're redeemed, you become holy, the Holy Spirit dwell in you. Now you enjoy it with a passion. You talk about it with passion. Like you love it. Like you enjoy it.
Ang sarap sa feeling na yung asawa mo parang nag-turn around. Alam mo yung nag-switch. Parang gulong na.
And that's kind of how you know you have the Holy Spirit too, because you told me that before you didn't like preaching story or preaching video because you think it's so boring, right? Because
I get-
Miss Andy telling you.
Yeah.
But now you're completely different. Now you enjoy it. You want to hear more. You like the wisdom.
Papi. I always listen about the preaching kasi doon ako nakakakuha ng mga wisdom.
You hunger for more. That's
Yeah,
how you
I
know
hunger for more.
you have the
Like-
Holy Spirit.
Like, what the heck? I never ever liked watching this, but why now? Like,
And I used to be like you
What
too,
the
where I
heck?
hate it. For me, it's boring. Like, why would I be listening to that stuff? Like, who listens to that, right? But now it's like, I'm interested, you know? The more they have to say, the more I want to hear about it.
yeah, I'm so always grateful every day. I'm always grateful that my husband become, the person I want.
The truth has set me free. And now I'm no longer enslaved to like thinking negative or having the demons inside me whispering to me and living my life with no purpose, no fruits.
Ang saya mga chupapi, pag kayong asawa mo ganyan, yung laging pinipreach ka, lagi mong kasama kami mga chupapi, ang sarap sa feeling. Iba yung feeling na guided siya ng God, kontrolado siya ng God, diba? Pagka mabubuisit siya, lagi sinasabi na, control your anger, because if you cannot control your anger, the anger control you.
Yes.
Like ko sinasabi sa kanya yon kasi 'di ba marami dito sa tulad ng mga dito kasi sa Amerika maraming mga scammer dito mga kachupapi. Kala mo lang hindi scammer pero marami silang paraan para ma-scam ka. Hindi mo makikita na na-scam ka nila, 'di ba? Pero ito kasi mga kachupapi. Ang ito parang advantage na yung utak niya mga kachupapi. Pero hindi ko na kukwento yung mga ganung detalye. Ayun mga kachupapi, sabi ko pag kada maiinis ka, i-control mo na agad-agad yung anger mo kasi baka mamaya ikaw ang makontrol niyan, hindi mo na makaya, ikaw na ang control niya ng anger mo, diba?
And that's actually one of the 7 deadly sins. It's called wrath.
Yeah.
It's part of the devil. So if you let anger control you, it's the same as you let the devil control you.
Yep.
And I know it's hard. We always struggle, but that's something that we constantly have to fight against. And the more you fight it, the better you become at it, and the stronger you become. And then it, can no longer control you.
Happy Monterey, I love
Happy
you.
Monterey, baby. Mm.
Thank you for dating me outside and date me outside and put me to the goodwill. I love you, baby. Thank you for
Love you.
preaching.
I'm gonna drink all of it, baby.
Okay. Pakita ko sa inyo mga kachupapi, yung mga binili ko sa Goodwill. Kukunti lang naman mga kachupapi, pero pakita ko pa rin.
Get your chocolate.
So let's go! What time is it?
7:30, I think. 7:50.
We're out 3 hours.
It's okay, date with you.
May snow pa rin mga kachupapi. Malamig pa rin.
Here, B.
I'm gonna carry
You want to
this.
carry this? Here.
Because this one is light. So ito yung ating garden dye. Wala tayong garden dahil puro ng snow.
Tomorrow, when you have time, then you can come out and shovel our walkway in our front, so that way it's clear of snow. It's not melted already.
Cecilia Kiki. Hello Kiki! hindi
He's
sumili.
really lazy. He's like, get the door by yourself. I'm not opening the door for you guys.
Ayo,
Hey, you.
Kiki.
Come on.
Kiki Pom. You're not going outside na?
Yeah, I'm done. You would put fake plants or real plants in there?
Real plants. So, dito na kami makachupati. Buksan natin ito para maliwanag ang buhay. Ang Kiki Bam! Kiki Bam! How are you? Lagyan natin sa box. Kiki.
He likes baskets. He likes boxes and baskets. He's too big for that now, though. When he was small, he fit in there.
No, I forgot to put the receipt in the... Okay, I'm gonna put it on there. So anyway, mga kachupapi, tingnan natin itong namili natin. Thank you, baby, for that. For date.
I enjoy it every month.
Very good. Because if you don't, I'm gonna ask you why! Mga kachupapi, bumula ko ng damit for my pamangkin. Cutie-cutie. Ay, gusto rin ni Kiki. Ano ka? Babae? Bango ni Kiki mga kachupapi kasi pinaliguan ko siya. You smell good, baby love.
That's not good.
And then, bumili akong jacket. Maganda siya mga kachupapi. Kachupapi? Nag-Bisaya na tayo dito. Ayun, mga kachupapi. Magkano lang to? $5. Lalaban na lang. And then, bumili ako ng shoes. Oh, ang ganda. Ito naman $24. Kaya lang kasi ibibigay ko to, ilalagalo ko to, mga kachupapi. And then, ito naman ito pamangkin ko. Ang tilay na pamili ko. Ayan o. Old Navy na sandals for my pamangkin. Ang ganda ako, kachupapi. Tapos ito, $1.99 lang. Kaya very good. Ito nakita na ko mga kachapapi. Oh, Crocs. $10. So, bumili ako. And then, another Havaianas. Pang sampal kay Kiki. $5.99. Anyway, yun lang yung mga pinamili natin mga kachapapi. Ito. $10 siya maganda. Kachapapi. Masarap siya sa paa. Ito yung leftover namin, mga kachapapi. Kaya lang sabi ng asawa ko, one time, masarap siya, mga kachapapi. Kaya lang sa binayaran namin, $87. Kukunti lang. Sa nauntian siya, sabi ko. Yun talaga kasi seafood, mahal talaga, di ba? Pero, at the end, dun pa rin tayo sa nag-enjoy. At, ito naman, mahilig kumain ko. Yun naman talaga ang importante is, kung talagang nag-enjoy ka talaga, di ba, Kim? Magpaalam ka na kanina pa tayo dito. Bye-bye mga kachupapi. Yun lang ang ating video. God bless. Ay, kiss ka na doon, dali. Pagkita nga nga. Sorry, huwag mo akong ano-ano sa mga vlog mo. Di ba? Bang mo naman, Ki. Di, anong perfume mo, Ki? Gigigil ano na. Gigigil lang. Mga kapapi, God bless you all. And sana gusto nyo yung aming date. And sa goodwill. So hanggang dito na lang yung ating vlog. God bless.